my god. It's a juicy. Let's try this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really delicious. You can get some barbecue sauce and put it in the kebab. We'll see in the world. It's really delicious. Just to try it. Just to try it. This is ChefX. How are you guys? Today we will make the best ever kofta on the oven. This video, I will tell you how I came from a future to here to give you best ingredients in the world. First thing we will need meat. Second thing, onion. Onion. Okay, you have to be professional with the knife. The hygienist is the best thing you have to do. This is the meat and this is the onion. Guess what's the third thing we have to bring? It's the tomato. And another tomato. You have to be professional at this thing. Tomato, onion, and a ground beef. We will need a salt, of course. Mix it. Woohoo! Woohoo! And the second thing, we need a black pepper. A black pepper. It's really nice. I will tell you my story right now. I was working in the kitchen in 1998. And I slept in that kitchen. While I'm sleeping, the time transferred to 2070. It's like a slime. I like to play with it. I like to play. Now we have to bring the food processor and put the pretzel. After that, put jalapeno. The third thing is the onion. Now we have to put all of these mixes on the meat. Oh no, not this. Okay. I remember when I was a kid. It's really nice thing to do. Next, we have to put all of this meat. Now we have to bring a tray, a very nice tray. In this one, you can do as you like. You can just put it as any shape you want. Just make it like this. That's how the kofta restaurants make it. You can put like a steak or something, but this is how the kofta restaurant make it. Be more professional than any restaurant. That's why I'm here. ChefX always here to help you in that things in funny and a nice way. Okay, let's be more serious right now. This is the kofta. You have to bring the onion and put it in the top of kofta. You bring the tomato. We have right now 3 layers. The first one is the kofta, the second one is the onion, the third one is the tomato. Now bring olive oil, take a spoon, and on the kofta, 1, 2 spoons on the kofta. Now we have to put it in the oven for 40 minutes on temperature 400. Now it's just finished. Wow, look at this. It smells perfect. Oh my God. Wow. It's a juicy, smells perfect. Oh my God. I'm really hungry right now. Come on, eat with me. Bring some yogurt. This yogurt comes to serve perfect. Let's try this one. Oh my God. It's really delicious. Oh my God. That's what I'm talking about. Now we what? Let's take some yogurt. It's delicious. That's what I mean. That's why. Give me some bread. A bread. Oh yeah. Give me some bread to make a kebab sandwich. Like in Turkey. That's best sandwich ever you will see. Do you see? That's the kebab. You can put anything you want. You want a ketchup? You can put ketchup. Do you want a barbecue sauce? You can get some barbecue sauce and put it in the kebab. You want mayonnaise? You can do that. Man, you will not believe. How is it this? This is the best thing ever I made. This is barbecue sauce. This is some mayonnaise. This is some ketchup. And you make the perfect sandwich you will see in the world. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the kebab. Oh my God. It's really delicious. Just to try it. Wow. Now, after everything I make, everything it's for you. Just to please give me your advice for next time. What do you want to eat next time? Give me whatever you want for next video. In the comment, don't forget, if you love me, because I love you. Yes, I love you. Just subscribe to my channel and see you next video. Bye-bye.